Friends, get ready for the cutest little project. We're going to make a bunny ear candy jar. What? I know. Hey, everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I start with making a pom-pom. Now, I'm using the Dollar Tree pom-pom makers, and I trim it down, and there it is. We're going to set that aside. Then I have a pickle jar. We're going to clean it. There we go. And we're going to save the lid as well. Then I have these little bunny ears I got from Dollar Tree. And my original plan was I snapped it in half so it was flexible, snapped the outer part. My original idea was that I was going to put just that band, see how I'm cutting it? I was just going to put that right on the jar. I was just going to glue it there, right? But my jar, it just didn't fit. So I decided, all right, we're going to dismantle the headband. So all I did was cut open everything, take the plastic out, tear the little ears off of the band as well, set those aside. Again, this wasn't the plan, but we pivot when we need to, right? So see how I have all of those little pieces of headband. I'm going to take all those out, cut it open so that we have strips, right? Listen, this is so cool. Then we're going to put some glue on the edge, and we're going to glue our strips along the edge. This is a hot glue gun, and it is a metal lid. Friends, the metal lid's going to get hot. Be careful. All right. So anyway, so we're going to keep doing that. Now, it didn't go all the way around, so I cut a little piece off of one of the other pieces that I had left, just a square, just to do the center. And now we see, splice it in. And because it's fuzzy, it's like faux fur kind of stuff, it will be able to kind of blend in. Okay. So no worries. Ta-da! Awesome. Then I put a strip of glue on the center, and I put another strip of the faux fur stuff in the center of that. And then I put a bunch of glue. Like I loaded up the glue on the ear, and then I put it on that fur part that I glued down originally. And then I go around, because I put so much glue on it, it kind of seeped out, and that's where we can kind of use our finger protected and kind of press it down. All of the faux fur that was the excess will be able to kind of squish into the ear. Does that make sense? And we do the same thing with the other ear. Now, I am going to tell you, I encourage you, hold the ear until your hot glue has a chance to set. Because if you don't, it's going to flop, right? And we don't want that. So, easy peasy though. My Ryobi glue gun is so hot. It is like lava. So it takes longer. But using another kind of glue gun, it may take less time. Either way. And you'll see here, I'm just lifting up that I want to call it faux fur, and putting some more glue underneath and then pressing it down. And look at, you can't even tell. Look at it. Oh, I tied a piece of ribbon, just tied it in a bow, and I set it in the center of my ears just because I thought it needed a little something, and quit it. Look at how cute. Then we're going to remember that pom-pom. We're going to put some glue. We're going to glue it on the back of that jar and stop. Now, I put jelly beans in mine, but can you imagine, you could fill it with little faux carrots and maybe some, I don't know, fairy lights. You could put chocolates in it. You could do anything. Look at how cute it is. I love it. This would make a great teacher gift or a gift for anybody. Like, stop it, right? I am so excited about this. Woo. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.